Have you ever pondered what separates the truly effective individuals from the rest? It's not always about innate talent or intelligence, but rather certain habits they've cultivated over time. Today, we delve into the 7 habits of highly effective people. First, they are proactive. They take responsibility for their lives, rather than blaming others or circumstances. They understand that they are in charge of their own actions and reactions. Being proactive means making things happen, not waiting for them to happen. Second, they begin with the end in mind. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they keep this vision in focus. This helps them to prioritize their actions and make decisions that align with their goals. The third habit is to put first things first. Effective people know how to prioritize and focus on what's truly important. They don't get distracted by urgent but unimportant tasks. Instead, they spend their time and energy on activities that align with their values and move them closer to their goals. Fourth, they think win-win. Effective people understand that success is not a zero-sum game. They seek mutual benefit in all interactions. They believe that success comes from cooperation and mutual success, not competition and scarcity. The fifth habit is to seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective people listen with the intent to understand, not just to reply. They seek to see things from others' perspectives before sharing their own. This empathy builds trust and opens the door for genuine communication. Sixth, they synergize. They recognize that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. They believe in the power of teamwork and collaboration, and they actively seek out diverse perspectives to find better solutions. Finally, they sharpen the saw. They understand the importance of self-care and continuous learning. They take time to renew and improve themselves, knowing that this will enhance their effectiveness in all other areas. In essence, these 7 habits, being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, putting first things first, thinking win-win, seeking first to understand, then to be understood, synergizing, and sharpening the saw, are the key to becoming highly effective in any area of life. They are not quick fixes, but habits that need to be developed over time. Cultivating these habits can help you navigate life with greater clarity, purpose, and effectiveness. Remember, the journey to becoming an effective person starts with a single step. So why not take that step today? Start cultivating these habits and watch as they transform your life.